Did you make it okay?
I can't blind. Hi everybody, welcome to the Paige family homestead.
Hello everybody.
I'm Peggy.
I'm not.
He's not. Andy. We've had a lot of people asking for another update, and we apologize. We normally do at least one a week.
Yeah.
But you had a week off chemo last week.
So we had to wait. And that chemo that I had, well, that lasted 2 weeks.
It did.
It did. It lasted a long time. Usually I come home and I get it on Thursday. Then by Saturday and Sunday I'm feeling terrible for those 2 days, and after that I'm feeling good.
Yeah.
So,
but you haven't had, you only had the one to go by. Yeah. This time you had two back to back.
Yeah.
Week 1, week 2, third week they give his body time to heal. During this healing time, he had such a rough go of it. He gets bursts of energy and wants to do something and heads out to do it, and then he gets dizzy. Yeah. Or weak, or
lightheaded.
Yeah,
when you see stars.
It's almost like 2 hours up means at least 20 minutes in bed. That was his week. So other than that, he's feeling good. His appetite is amazing.
It's back to normal.
He
feels it.
He
certain
lost
things I don't like.
Yeah, well, a lot of things he doesn't like. Don't listen to him. Not a few, a lot. It's driving me nuts trying to figure out what to feed the guy.
And I'm cold all the time.
Winter coat.
Yeah, in the house.
I'm in a t-shirt. Oh, look at my t-shirt. Vineyard Chicks. I almost called them the name Andy does because he does it all the time, and I'm not going to say it. Go and watch these guys. We love watching them. We put them on the big screen when we got feet up in the chairs there, and we just enjoy our visit. But I'm lost. I don't know what I was saying.
So we went to the doctor today.
Oh, your weight.
Yeah.
He lost 38 pounds in total so far, and this week he gained back 8.
Yeah.
Am I upset? No. No. He's going into it hardcore right now. Your visit today, you did blood work.
Right. There's problems with the shunt that they put in my back, into the kidney, into the bladder.
They think.
So we might get a call today or tomorrow to go have it redone.
Typically, the stint needs to be replaced every 3 months.
Yeah.
However, the doctor feels that it may have dislodged and moved somehow. So that might be the problem, because he's in the last 4 days.
Yeah.
When he pees, he learned a new word today, void. Are you voiding okay?
I don't know what that means.
What's void? I'm giggling, but he didn't know.
Speak English. P. I know what P means.
When he voids, it's that extreme pain at the end. Yeah. But he said it was like what? An
electric shock
up through his body from his doo-doo. But the doctor wasn't sure what that was about. But
they say they had one case of it, and that's why he thinks the shunt has dislocated, dislodged, or whatever.
Yeah.
So he's going to get in touch with a radiologist. What is it?
Urologist
up there in Kingston.
Yeah. And we'll figure out. Maybe we'll get a call today to come in for 6 p.m. We don't know. Yeah. Or maybe we'll get a call to go in tomorrow. Which means I'm canceling my eye doctor. Well, no, my general practitioner. I have a tear in my retina. It's being looked after, but this doctor's going to get so PO'd at me because I keep canceling. But sorry, this is going to Kingston before I get my BP done and give him another little paycheck, right? We'll take care of that first. But also with his blood work came another discovery this week. The oncologist, Dr. Kingston or something. He determined by the blood work that Andy's immune system has crashed. So
I could get a cold from anybody, anything.
And it could cause him great harm.
Yeah.
So that means our Clint Fridays are canceled, that means you
can't have anybody around.
You had another friend coming up, Billy Burkett.
Yeah, Burkett.
Coming up Saturday to maybe do a loop-de-loop with the side-by-side, but no, he can't do that. When we go shopping from now on, if he used to feel good enough to go in, and no. If he insists, he can come, but I'll be going in, you will not be going in. Yeah. We have to keep him, no more company, no more guests in the house for him. If people stop by not knowing, they're going to be told, I'm sorry, you can't come in.
That's a bummer.
You can talk to him through the screen door, but you're in jail. You got me, baby. Oh, me. Poor bastard. Oh, my God. Seriously. I'm sweating here, and he makes me so hot just sitting beside him. But
that's just the look.
We were also told that we are to wash our hands frequently, even between him and I. We're to wash our hands throughout the day quite a bit to make sure we're not.
And then they're going to come on Friday and give me a needle in my tummy.
Our home nurse will be sent down Friday to give him an immune injection, boost injection. The doctor says that he feels he should be right after that. However, he did say your immune system has crashed so low that we normally would not proceed with chemotherapy at this point. We would make it rest until it come back up. He says, but we don't want any more delays for Andy, so we're going to proceed and send the home nurse on Friday to do the injection. Why would they wait so long, though?
Why would they wait till Friday to send the home nurse?
I don't know. Yeah, like what day's today? Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Why wouldn't they jab you with the immune boost before
that? Yeah.
Before your chemo?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm going to phone oncology and ask them. But I mean, they know what they're doing, so there might be a reason, but...
Maybe the chemo would wipe it out.
Maybe.
They want it after.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Quite possible.
Yeah.
It's starting to get real. The first few chemos you bounced back from quite nicely.
Not this one.
The last two you had are taking their toll.
Yeah, they're taking their toll, that's for sure.
So we're going to see more of that. I'm going to see less of him. He's going to be sleeping more. Thank God I got lots of broths. He's impossible to feed. Evidently 8 pounds gained means he's not, but he is impossible to entice, to like give a suggestion, and he's like,
it does not sound good.
And it is, maybe it's pulled pork on a bun, or maybe see, what about meatballs on rice?
No, okay, no.
See,
I'm not hungry right now.
Yeah, he's really hard to feed. I don't think he likes meat, which you do like. The cooked vegetables, you're happy with those when we do that at dinner instead of the meat. But yeah, it's getting, having trouble. It's getting. We touched base with Kingston. Belleville, and she left us a card which is good for 5 chemo parking days.
Yeah, that's
we could use them even for his doctor visits or blood work days, but why waste it on a $4 day when we can hold it for a $15 day? So what we're going to do is save them for Thursdays, because that's our 5-6 hour day, and the parking will be free.
10 o'clock the next one. That means we're not until late 3.
Yeah. Jeez. Yeah, I know. That's this Thursday coming up. He has his chemo.
Yeah.
So,
okay, I see you.
It's going to be a rough ride. You may or may not see him in a few videos. I'll try to keep updated. He will when possible.
Yeah.
I'm quite happy with him sitting here this long. Driving home from the hospital is now about 25 minutes longer than it normally would be because of the frequent stopping to smell the roses. No, you're voiding.
Oh, whatever. I'm peeing. Excuse me while I void. Sound like Star Trek, don't I? We're going into the void.
Sorry, Trekkies. He doesn't mean that as a slam. Do you?
Well, there's... Oh, jeez.
Anyway, with that, please keep the prayers, and thank you so much for those of you that are, and thank you for. Did you see this? Did she just come up on the table by herself? She wants to be part of this
one here.
Oh my goodness!
Yes, you do.
Listen to her.
You
they won't
do.
leave him alone.
Yes, they do. Yes.
Busted were the old people with the dogs on the table. We're those people. Sorry, kids. Anyway.
Yeah, we just thank God it's not the kids jumping up on the table.
No kids allowed. We're gonna go.
Okay.
We'll keep you all updated.
We'll see you in next videos.
Thank you for the prayers, guys.
Okay,
they're still needed. More so now. To make this man rest. Right?
Yeah. Oh.
Thank you, and God bless everybody. The dogs.